Good evening, citizens of the universe. We're really celebrating life of Big Black. And time don't take a coffee break, and death don't take a holiday. And every moment is priceless.
I got off the 10 highway about 3:30 in the morning. I had my spirit, my self-esteem stripped from my body. 15 hours all the way from the set of Barbershop 2. And even though I had locks at the time, the barber almost cut my throat. Everything that I had known as loyalty had been taken away, and I asked the man on the corner of Declan, could I have a floor to lay upon? Even with daughter preparing herself for LMU, and baby boy there, he found a space for me right by the heater. And his prayers kept me so warm at night, and the way he pulled out that Torah, and the way he pulled out that nag, and the way we surfed through that Bible, and the way I told him I dreamed of being a yogi one day and falling asleep in lotus pose and waking up and down with baby dog. And he hugged me every night before I laid beside that heater. I managed money well when my spirit was right. But once I understood that Hollywood can break blood, he taught me how to share his DNA. He told me he'd be there for me. He told me to put away the facade, and now I was with him. And the way he nurtured me let me know that he was nature, boy.
Love you, Michael Jackson, Billy Higgins, Nat King Cole, and Sam Vaughn, and Ella Fitzgerald, Dinah Washington. We miss you so. Thank you, Lord, for sending them all here to make us feel better and act better.
Come on. Come on. Put your weight on it.
A very strange and enchanting boy. They say he traveled very far. Very far. Over the land unseen. Come on, son. A little shy and sad of all, but very wise. Was he? And then one day, one magic day, he came my way. And as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me. Of everything
no further ado, the man, the myth, the Cuddy Mac. Put your hand fingers in the air. Ladies and gentlemen, ain't nothing gonna stop this heart shot.